Welcome to the Menumium step-by-step tutorial series. In today's session, we'll learn all about the Menumium's recipe management system. Before starting this setup, make sure you've already completed the business setup and food setup, as these are the mandatory first steps. Now let's move to the recipe setup. Click on Create Recipe to add a new one, provide the recipe name, upload an image, and add the necessary ingredients for that recipe. If there's any must-have ingredient, you can mark it as a critical ingredient. This helps you easily identify which items are most important for preparing the recipe. After that, assign the recipe to a food item and set the ingredient quantities required for that food. Now let's see how the processed food system works. For this, you have to set the inventory model in Deduct inventory when preparing recipe-wise food. To set this, go to Branch Setup, which you'll find under Restaurant Setup. First, select the branch you want. Then click on Edit Details. Under that, you'll find the Inventory Model option. Now, choose Deduct Inventory when prepare recipe-wise food. Next, let's test how ingredients are deducted from the inventory in this model. Suppose you currently have 3.1 kilograms of French fries in stock. Go to Process Food, click on Prepare Food, then search and select the food item from the drop-down list. Enter the quantity, process date, expiry date, and any comments you'd like to add. Then save the processed food. Once saved, you'll see that the required recipe ingredients are automatically deducted from the inventory. You've completed setting up your Menumium recipe management system. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Menumium support. Happy serving!